vlog in a while, so I'm gonna do one today. I'm home alone for a couple hours, which I absolutely love those type of days. I almost dropped my phone, but that's what happens when you don't know how to vlog and you haven't done it for a million years. Okay, not a million years. I'm not an evolutionist, putting that out there too. So yes, I'm gonna go take care of my animals and do what I can do and see what else I can get done that's a little extra. So sadly, it's not all day, it's like a couple hours. So we'll see what I get done, but I'm pretty excited. I don't know why. I just love being home alone. I'm like, I can conquer the world. I can get this whole house perfect. That never happens, but hey, I can dream, right? Let the girl dream. All right, guys, we'll be back in a second. I'm so excited. I haven't vlogged in a while, so here goes. So I am going to take care of my animals. I have this is already filled with corn, so I'm not going to worry about feeding the chickens, but maybe I'll put some more in. I'm not sure if I'm going to yet. But here's my pig. Sorry, I make you guys dizzy with all the movement. Hi, girl. Are you hungry? Yeah. Hey, Thunder. Thunder, Thunder, Thunder. I keep looking at the viewfinder instead of the camera. There's my doggo. I love my dog, he's amazing. Here's my kitty. Here's my kitty. She always greets us. Crazy kitty. She's not really friendly, but she's kind of feralish. And the eggs are here. The eggs are here. And so we have Americana eggs. The quality's bad, but here's my dog. Americana eggs. And just the regular, well, there's browner or pinkish eggs. I love the different colors, variations of the eggs. So this is cat food, this is chicken feed, this is dog food, that's corn, and that is the goat feed, and this is nothing. So this is the goat feed. I can't see anything. Looks like a big hole here. See? Goat feed. You guys dizzy with moving the camera around too much. So they are awaiting their cat food. Pig, corn / goat feed. I don't know why we started using pig feed, but we did. So she needs to be butchered soon. That's just a random statement. Yeah. So I give the goats their water. Right here has some leaves in it, and this is their goat feed bucket, which got rained in. Not a ton of rain, but some. I mean, when I mean ton, I use a ton a lot. My poor daddy's like, can you find another word than ton to use? And I'm sorry. Okay, so that needs dumped out because it's watery. And the goats are way over there somewhere, probably keeping dry in their shed. And it's our cute fence here. It's so beautiful. I love this part of the property. Like I said, the pig's waiting for food, so I'm gonna go feed her. Hi, girl. Look how beautiful she is. Hey, girly girl. Hey, girly girl. Girly, so we gave her some watermelon the other day. Watermelon. Yeah. You're beautiful. I like how pigs wag. They wag. I'm gonna wash these dishes. Well, I have a lot of dishes and dry those, so I'll put them somewhere out away or in a pile for my sister to do when she comes home. That'd be kind of mean, wouldn't it? But some of these I do leave out because they take a while to dry and I don't feel like drying every nook and cranny of it. But we do have a dishwasher, but it doesn't work. We store tea in it because it doesn't work. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that now, and maybe we'll see what else I get done. I want to eat something else than just a banana for lunch. So I finished the dishes and I cleared the counters, or the clown. There's one counter that's not cleared, but we're not gonna think about that. And then I also cleaned the oven off. So I'm gonna show you in a second what that looks like, because I'm pretty happy with what I got done. So here's a clear counter. That's not clear, but I'm not gonna worry about that. But I did clean this out because it was like stained with coffee. I wiped this all up, cleaned here. I need to actually clean underneath this thing, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Those are duck eggs right there. They're all dirty, but they're duck eggs. They're not dirty, it's like steamed. It's really funny. And I made an ant trap with some borax and sugar and water, and borax and sugar and water, and a little bit of pancakes in this stick here. Okay, so that's what I did. I cleaned this too, stained. I do need to bleach the bottom of these. I don't like to use bleach, that's why they're not done. And so I have all these mugs I'm going to pack up. These need to go away too. But I'm going to pack all these mugs up because I'm not really using them that much, and we're trying to pack stuff to move anyway. We're doing it slowly, but hey, we're getting it done. This is my favorite color mugs. The sad thing about mugs that have gold stuff or like metal is you can't microwave it. So anyway, and I didn't have enough space, so I'm like, you know what, I'll just pack some away. So yes, we drink in ball glasses. That's all we drink out of. Now we have these too, but these are the best to drink out of. So that box is done, and yeah, mugs are packed. There are a couple mugs, and like the little mugs obviously we're still using, and ones that are my dad's and he might want to use them before he moves, so I'm keeping them there. But this is nice, at least I'll have this packaged up, and I'm so excited. One box. We have a lot more boxes than one box, but I did one box, so I'm happy. So I'm cleaning the kitchen a bit more. I decided to clear the table off a little bit and clean it off. That needed done. I put on a candle. I know it's summertime, but I wanted something that smelled a little less chemically than like spray stuff. I like to smell nice and fresh when people come in. I could technically, clean the house like crazy, but I don't have time, so I decided to put a nice candle on. That would be nice. And I am cleaning this bathroom because it's way overdue to clean, and I don't know why I do this, but I have these stages. Like, I have a couple days of keeping the bathroom immaculate, and then I have days of nothing, and then it's like dust, dirt. My family came back and got Burger King. I didn't finish the bathroom, so I'm gonna finish that after I eat, but oh, I'm so excited. Chicken nuggets. Chicken is the best. Beef's good, but I like chicken. So I took that nap, and I forgot to videotape after I woke up. I got some coffee, and I video chatted with Samuel, and that went well. So I just got off the video chat. I'm gonna put some rice on the boil. It's later. It's like 6:40 p.m. and I need to start supper. Oh, I like coffee. It's such a it's a hug in a cup. Anyway, so I am going to make rice, and then I'm gonna make heat up the duck, carrot, Indian stuff I made. It's really yummy. So that's my plan for the rest of the night. I might report back later with a couple things. But I didn't finish the bathroom. I did some of it, but I didn't finish it. My parents and sister got home safely. Obviously, they got me Burger King. Everything's fine. So, and it's been raining a storm here. It's crazy. It's supposed to rain the rest of the week too. So I'm gonna get to my work. So I decided to time-lapse me eating supper. But it ended up being, I accidentally put it on slow-mo instead of time-lapse. So it's like 43 minutes, or 40 minutes, maybe around 40 something I think. of slow-mo. Like, who wants to see me eating? It's embarrassing. Anyway. Hey guys, so I'm gonna finish that blog post I mentioned earlier and hopefully get that up tonight. And I have some other things I'm gonna edit with my boyfriend. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and I'm glad to be back. Bye for now.